Never knew of a love like this. A love like this. You and me, baby, loving like crazy, praying that it never ends. Yeah, you and me, darling, we've really got something the world just can't understand. Yeah, it's you and me, falling in love every day till we're both owning gray. Yeah, it's you and me, as long as we live, I'll never know a love like this. Planning trips on the weekends, living life like we're just kids. Pretty soon we'll have a few of our own in our very own home. Yeah, you and me, baby, loving like crazy, praying that it never ends. Yeah, you and me, darling, we've really got something the world just can't understand. Yeah, it's you and me, falling in love every day till we're both owning gray. Yeah, it's you and me, as long as we live, I'll never know a love like this. As life goes on, my love for you will still be strong. And even when it rains, we'll dance away the pain. Yeah, you and me, baby, still loving like crazy, praying that it never ends. Yeah, you and me, darling, we've really got something the world just can't understand. Yeah, it's you and me, falling in love every day till we're both owning gray. Yeah, it's you and me, as long as we live, I'll never know a love like this. I'll never know a love like this.
Empty bottles, messy bed, clothes are hanging off the shelf. Memories scattered in my head, been a mess since you left. Watching screens, closing shades, drinking, eating by myself. Haven't left here in days, been a mess since you left. And I've been keeping all your boxes in case you ever wanted to move back in again. But it's been a while and I think I need to clean my room. The space you left inside me too. I'll get your clothes out the drawers and forget your love out the door before I show this place to someone new. I think I need to clean my room. Wash the windows in the pane, get the dust off my chest. Found the letters that I gave you, you didn't take when you left. All you left all of your boxes. I thought you would have wanted to remember when you stayed, but you just threw it all away. I think I need to clean my room. The space you left inside me too. Get your clothes off the drawers and forget your love out the door before inside me too. Get your clothes off the drawers and floor. Get your love out the door before I show this place to someone. Think I need to clean my room.
One, two, three.
I hate the way they always kiss in the kitchen, acting like they're still just 21. They always seem to go for walks on Sundays and doing things they did when they were young. So I'll ask when I go home, but maybe the whole point's not to know what's the secret to keeping the love alive. What's the secret to keeping the love alive for so long? I'm glad they still go out and hit the town, dancing till their feet begin to hurt. He said, son, I hope you get close to what I found, 'cause there ain't many like her on this earth. So I'll ask when I go home, maybe the whole point's not to know what's the secret to keeping the love alive. What's the secret to keeping the love alive for so long, for so long? And how come you're still in love with Mom? And he said, if I tell you the secret, do you swear on me to keep it for the one, for the one? And if I give you all the answers, you can't stop taking chances. Oh my son, oh my son, I knew you'd ask when you got old, and I'll be honest, I don't know what's the secret to keeping the love alive. What's the secret to keeping the love alive for so long, for so long? And how come you're still in love, Mom? He said, I've seen so much love grow cold, so I'll be honest, I don't know what's the secret to keeping the love alive. What's the secret to keeping the love alive for so